It's a wonderful Wednesday. Are you ready for your Mrs. Narayan fact? All right, I'm going to give you a few clues. Can you see my necklace? How about my pant leg? There you go. How about this is one of the things in my home? How about my phone case? Any ideas what my favorite animal is? Yes, my favorite animal is the elephant. Let's go look at today's assignments. Ethelyn will log into your Blackboard. And 1920, that's this school year. Scrolling down to week 2. And then, of course, today is Wednesday. Fantastic. Everyone knows how to do attendance? Click here, type in your name, answer the question, and click submit. And I feel like we all know our math facts. We're going to go into our orange book, go to week 2 and do the Wednesday column. Just do it for 5 minutes. I know some of you are finishing faster, so put the time on the top also if you finish faster in 5 minutes, please. We have 3 workbook pages today, 27, 29, and 30. And then you're going to go to your Go Math Online. I think we've all gotten in here, okay? You're going to put your login information there. Click the things to do. And then today is 1.3. You click on this, and then on this 1.3, and begin to go through the interactive personal trainer. Fantastic. All right, language arts, we're doing our same popcorn words. Does, not, school, what? You should have your word wall done, whether it's in a binder, on a wall, in a trifold board, whatever worked for you. I'll ask for a picture of that with this week's work. And then we're going to, for our daily language review, we're going to fix the sentences, but this time they're going to be in our practice book. So pages 12 and 13. And then we're going to follow the directions for this story. So I'll show you those two. So we're going to practice our fix a sentence skills. If you go to page 12, you're going to find a bunch of words. Some are sentences and some are not. For example, number 2, like to. Is that a complete idea? No. If it said, I like to run, that would be complete. So circle the ones that are real sentences. And at the bottom, you're going to add in something to make that a complete sentence. And number 13, we have a cat. We have Sam likes to. Again, both of these are not complete sentences. So you're going to write a cat, fill in the blank to make it a complete sentence. Sam likes to blank. And while we're talking about filling in, Sam likes to. All of those words should be spelled correctly in your sentence. Why? Because you're just going to copy them. And then your own word, for example, if you said run, you would sound that out. N. If you miss a letter or sound, don't worry, we're practicing sounding out words. But if it's a word on the page, it should be spelled correctly here. Then on to our story, Jack Can. Remember reading this one? Now we're going to look through the story, but now we're going to follow the directions. So it says read to find out what Jack can do. We've done that. Point to each word in the title. So they want you to point. Jack can. The next page tells us circle and read aloud each word with short A as in cat. So let's see. Max. Do you hear an ah? I do. We're going to circle that. Can. K, Ooh, I hear an ah. We're going to circle that and do the same on this page. Talk about what Max and Jack can do. So looking at the pictures, have a conversation about what they can do. Then it says to underline and read aloud the word not, which is of course one of our popcorn words. So there's the word not. I'm not going to point to it. You're going to find it and underline it. Then you're going to talk about this page. Picture in your mind how Jack's face might look. So we're doing inference. That's a big kid skill. Looking at clues and thinking of what his face might look like. It's not telling us. We're inferring. We're using our brains to think, what might his face look like based on the words and the clues in the picture and the story. Now it says circle and read aloud each word with short A as in cat. We've done that. You can do that. Then underline and read aloud the words what and does. You know, that's right, our popcorn words, so underline those. So do you see how you're going through the story again, but this time you're doing the activities? Picture Jack's face when Nan helps. Talk about what you pictured. So what do you think he would look like? And then you're going to retell the story using the pictures. So tell someone the story. If I've never heard Jack Can, what was it about? And that's the end of our activity to go with that story. And you know the routine. After you've done some pages, we give our hands a little break and we can jump on the computer and do something interactive. So you'll click on your Wonders Online and go do the 2 little interactive activities for Wednesday. We click on the link, we log in, then we're going to launch our book. And click on our choose. And you should have a check mark for Monday and one for Tuesday. For Wednesday, we have a phonemic awareness activity, and then we're going to practice our new popcorn words. And when we're done, we're going to click the blue submit button and we'll get that green check mark again. All right, for spelling. Today, you're going to take out your whiteboard that came in your box and you're going to practice writing your spelling words. After you finish that, we're going to jump into a handwriting page, page 8. So for handwriting, we're going to jump into our big practice book, and we've been doing the short A all week, so let's practice how to write our short A properly. And then after handwriting, let's go see what science is today. For science, we're going to go into our science part of the big orange first grade workbook and look at do solid objects change shape? We're going to need to collect a penny, a spoon, a cup, and a lunch bag. And as always, feel free to modify any of these items. They should just be things you have around the home. Please do not ever buy anything for any of these things. Just if you don't have a lunch bag, any kind of bag will do. And then, of course, we have our science lesson to watch, and it will give all the directions. So to find your science journal, go to where you put your science tab. And this was last week's How Much Matter. So here's the one for today. Do solid objects change shape? You're going to trace the shape of the penny and the spoon, then what they trace them after they've been in the cup and after they've been in the bag. Then you can compare, did they change shape? And then of course we have PE. Again, please do PE whenever it makes sense for you during your school day. In the middle, right before lunch. When you start to feel wiggly, you can jump in and do your PE. So we're going to click on our PE course. On our fall assignments, we're in quarter 1 and of course week 2. What are we doing on Wednesday? There it is, Wacky Wednesday. You've got some links to click on. Dance along, it says. Then you have this one, super fun, hula hooping vowels. That's going to be fun. And then you've got this little raise the roof for a new school year. This is in our Go Noodle website. And we're going to shoo away the tension. This is you. Do what this person's doing. There you go. So have fun with Wednesday. Squish those bugs. Bye, everyone.